Truck Compilation. Seeing this is the month of March, even though we're already halfway through, we'll snap right into it and look at the top related truck news over the past month. News looking at a rejection of a German plea from a German trucker. A court in some random town in Germany has ruled that the German man accused of hitting a retired professional cyclist nearly 15 months ago. The trucker will not be granted a reduced sentence through a plea bargain, and that proceedings are open for a formal trial to begin a couple months down the road on May 27th. In other news is Gale has stopped allowing aid trucks to enter Gaza, even with the horrid situation happening over there. And this is the same with Polish farmers and truckers, blocking Ukrainian borders to stop Ukrainian truckers from entering, causing even more struggles in Ukraine. Now come on, you two. This isn't fair, especially seeing they're going through a hell of a lot of wars. Let's get truckers moving. Am I right? Moving to another horrific truck crash. We're in Istanbul. 4 people were killed after a crash into a low bridge in March 11 and overturned onto a car. With the help of citizens and rescue teams, the bag papers of the trailer of the truck were unloaded to load the load, but the trailer was lifted to help the crane, and the car underneath was dislodged. But unfortunately, the 4 members in the car were pronounced dead. Now let's get on to some great news, where Tello has announced they will be spending $5.4 million designing new electric trucks. Wow, this seems pretty interesting, alright? Am I right? Am I right? I wonder what they'll look like. Oh, fuck. They're just a bunch of fucking glorified utes. Anyway, speaking of those retarded material wasters, Tesla has started shipping out their own retarded cycling trucks, which are neither cyber or truck. And they had a lot of problems, mainly due to the cost, especially the cost of repairing a Cybertruck with their, well, interesting design, making minor crashes multi-$1,000 repairs. Maybe I did you too harshly. We are now going through the truck fail of the month, and who would have guessed it's those damn Cybertrucks once again. A Cybertruck crashed into a hotel sign in Beverly Hills, which makes it seem that even the drivers are incompetent. But we already knew that. And of course, seeing this as the news, we don't have any happy stories for you tonight. Well, that's the news segment for this truck compilation over and done with. Thanks for tuning in, and please enjoy this truck